This is an extremely dangerous Cold War situation in the United States, which is affecting in a hot way Jews and people who are even amenable to Israel. But it's a head fake, because the truth of it is that this really is it's an Islamist and radical war against the established order in the West, beginning with the United States. And the United States must understand the way, Victoria Coates wrote this wonderful book called The Battle for Israel, how the United States and Israel can win. And she basically said this is a battle between barbarism and Western Judeo-Christian civilization. And that's what Gaza is about. It is being fought right now in Gaza, but it really is being fought thousands of miles away across the Atlantic Ocean in the West. You see all of these pro-Hamas protests are about dismantling the United States. So I think that in terms of the framing of what we're seeing today, that the entire Western alliance should be cheering on Israel for the sake of the future of Western civilization.